good afternoon, beautiful people. Happy Monday, everyone. Oh my God, another week. So beautiful summer day po dito sa Ontario, Canada. It's 12:01 p.m. po. Grabe, it's 31 degrees daw, but it's really amazing. It's so nice, so nice. So I hope your week started so good and you are happy, you are healthy, you are loving life, di ba? Good afternoon, si Tita po ito. From Ontario, Canada. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope your day is amazing. And yeah, so touching base with you guys, another week. Talaga lang, I hope you had a fantastic weekend. Ang weekend ko is busy, family, and business. Hindi makakalimutan because of course, it's important, di ba? So, yeah, so anyhow, shout out muna sa aking mga followers diyan before we get started. Yeah, so mapabago man kayo or mapaluma, maraming salamat. I always appreciate you guys. Yeah, thank you for your support. Okay? Now, yeah, so anyhow, ang ating pag-uusapan today, mag-session muna tayo sa Kongreso. Anyhow, ang pag-uusapan natin today is yung conversation ko talaga ito yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yes, yesterday. Yeah, so kaya nilagay ko po diyan, drive your life wherever you wanna go. Don't hand your key to other people who doesn't want you to succeed. Because minsan kasi is ang dami ko naririnig nito because of course I've been in this business, my online business for 4 years, okay? Most of you guys na nagpa-follow sa akin know na meron akong online business, okay? Na gino-grow ko sa social media. Okay? And yeah, so so funny kasi ang conversation namin ay you know, she was inquiring about the business. What kind of business is, okay? So, I told her that I have an attraction marketing business, blah, blah, blah. Okay? And then, sabi niya sa akin, ang banat pa naman sa akin, oh my God, yan yata yung ng kaibigan ko, yan yata yung business ng kaibigan ko na hindi naman siya, tumigil siya kasi hindi siya wala daw, hindi daw nag-work sa kanya. Huh? Yan, ang dami ko naririnig na ganyan, okay? Hindi yan ang first time na narinig ko, okay? Hindi yan ang first time. Okay? And ang take ko diyan is why would you listen to other people? 'Di ba? Buhay mo 'yan, right? Buhay mo 'yan. So, why would you listen to other people na look at this. Why would you listen to other people na hindi naman tawag nun, hindi naman sila ang driver ng buhay mo, di ba? So wag makinig sa iba. You tawag nun, siyasatin mo, talagang tingnan mo kung ano talaga yung business na yan. Mas maganda kung ikaw mismo yung makakita, hindi yung makikinig ka sa ibang tao, di ba? Kasi bakit mo nga tawag nun, kumbaga ibigay yung baraha mo na hindi naman kung ayaw nila, pabayaan mo. Pero ikaw mismo, kung talagang na feel mo yan sa gut mo na ito na yon, gusto mo na mabago ang buhay mo, huwag kang makinig sa iba. Right? Because most of the time, yung magsasabi sa iyo na, oh, wag kang sumali diyan kasi yan, kasi tawag nun, scam yan. Most of the time, hindi sila concerned sa iyo. Okay? Hindi sila concerned sa iyo because kampante sila kung pareho lang kayo. Pero kung umangat ka sa kanya, hindi yan. Diba? Mag-aano na yan, magsiselos na yan, di ba? Ganon yun. So, wag niyong ibigay ang tawag nun, wag makinig sa ibang tao kung talagang na-feel niyo sa sarili niyo, okay? Kasi yung ibang tao na yan, hindi iyan ang magbabayad ng utang mo. Hindi iyan magsusuporta ng pamilya mo. Ikaw mismo, di ba? Ikaw mismo. Kung feel mo na mag-grow ka, kung feel mo na talagang you still have something that you can contribute, right? You still have something na pwede mong gawin. Okay? So, go for it. Dahil kung ayaw nila na umunlad ang buhay nila, ayaw nila na mag-grow, then, don't, wag mong i-walk out, guys, ha? Ayan, bumalik na. Yeah. So, anyhow, wag makinig sa iba. Because at the end of the day, sino ba ang bubuhat sa iyo kung hindi ikaw din? Di ba? Kung ikaw ay mawala ng trabaho, bibigyan ka ba ng trabaho niyan? No, hindi. Right? Pero, kung ngayon pa lang na may work ka, and then you build something for yourself, at least, kung may mangyari man doon sa, ang dami kong nakikinig, naririnig na tawag na nawawala ng trabaho, di ba? Sa dami na ng robot ngayon, pinapalitan na yung trabaho, di ba? Yeah. So, kung ikaw ay nawala ng trabaho, bibigyan ka ba ng trabaho niyan? No. Pauutangin ka ba niyan? Hindi. Oh, bakit ka makikinig sa kanila, di ba? So, do your own research. Okay? Lagi ko namang sinasabi yan na information is free, right? Pero kahit na andyan na sa ano natin, kahit na andyan na ang oportunidad na sa mukha na natin, kung tayo ay hindi willing na i-grab yan, is walang mangyayari. Kung tayo ay makikinig from the outside world na wala namang kinocontribute sa buhay natin, then walang mangyayari, di ba? Yeah? Kung gusto nila na ma-stack sa buhay nila, di wag mong wag mong i-compare ang sarili mo. Kung ayaw mo na, kung gusto mo na, feel mo talaga na you still have something to do. You can do something to improve yourself. Go for it. Right? If you don't, thank you for my viewers there. If they don't want to, if they don't want to do it, then no. Just don't listen to them. You can say yes, but then do it anyway. Right? Because at the end of the day, nobody will pick you up but yourself. Right? Nobody will pick you up. So yan lang ang gusto ko na i-share, okay? Huwag makinig. Be your own driver. Don't hand your key to anybody else. Right? Listen to your gut. Listen to kung ano yung talagang feeling nyo na ito na yon, right? Because especially kung nagpe-pray kayo, right? For me, I always listen to my intuition. Kasi ngayon lang talagang I just after I taught my fitness class, actually I was teaching aqua fitness this morning, and I got a doctor appointment, and it was like 15 minutes interval, and I know that I am going to be pressed with time, pero talagang very positive ako. Sabi ko, everything will work out for me. Everything will work out in my favor. Kahit na alam ko na I was pressed with time. Sabi ko, and then of course with the traffic, I know that I have at least 15 minutes to drive to my doctor. Tapos after na mag-teach ako sa aking sa fitness class ko, then I rush. I was rushing. I changed right away, even if I was still sweating, my hair was still wet. Right? But I went to change right away, and then drove at least 15 minutes with the traffic. And guess what? I was praying, and I was listening to, I have a favorite radio station, which is basically a church station. So I listened to that, and then like I was like, I wasn't, even if there, like, the light will turn red for me, it's okay. I said, I know that I'm gonna be a little bit late for my appointment. But I was still like, I know the universe will line up everything for me. I know everything will work out in my favor, blah, blah. And I was listening to music. No, like, I don't, that's why, like, I don't stress out, and ito yung sinasabi ko na, like, don't pay attention to other people talaga. Just like, listen to yourself, listen to your gut, kasi alam mo yun alam mo kung para sa iyo or hindi, di ba? Alam mo yun. The same way sa akin nung nakita ko ang negosyo ko na ginagawa ko ngayon, right? It was shown to me 3 times, pero talagang naghahanap na ako ng other way kasi ayoko na palagi ko na lang iwanan ng anak ko, right? So, naghanap talaga ako ng ibang way kung paano ako kumita. So, it has shown to me 3 times. Pero hindi ako nag-take action the first two times na pinakita sa akin ang webinar. But the 3rd time, I was quick, boom, because I know that this is it. Sabi ko, ito na yung sagot. Ito na yung sagot. So kung ganun ang nyo, tawag nun, kung feeling nyo talaga na ito na yun, don't listen to other people. You can say yes to them, okay, I will take a look, like, I won't do it, but do it anyway, right? Right, ganun lang yun. So anyhow, circle back doon sa aking caption, okay? Don't drive yourself wherever you want to go. Talagang be clear talaga kung saan mo gusto dalhin ang buhay mo. And then, don't listen to others, right? Don't listen to other people. Don't listen to your outside world. Check on yourself, because at the end of the day, nobody will do it but you yourself. So don't check with other people, right? Check with yourself, check with God, find, ask for guidance, diba? Ganun lang yun. And do it. Kung yan na talaga ang pinapakita sa iyo, then that means that's it. Right? So, yeah. So, anyhow, I hope I have inspired you guys. I hope I have given you value today. So, that is my goal every single time na mag-live ako. Okay? Yeah. So, anyhow, if you are someone who is watching in the sideline, if you are someone who is still skeptical if this business is real, if these people are real, if these results are real, I will challenge you. Right? I will challenge you. Check it out. Check it out. We're not hiding anything at all. We're very transparent. The webinar is free, basic information. You can go on to the next step, which is you're going to pay $149 US, which is fully refundable. So you have nothing to lose. All you will get all the information that you need. You have the time to decide. Like, at least if you say no to yourself, right? You have seen everything, right? Before you say no, dive in deeper, right? Because you might be saying no to a future that can give you much better income than what you have now. Maybe you're saying no to time and financial freedom. Maybe you are saying no to building legacy to yourself, to your family, to your kids, right? So dive in deeper. Don't say no to something that you don't know, right? You don't know that it can give you a life that you really want for yourself and your family. Right? So anyhow, that's it for me today. And see, I'm always excited, right? Life is always exciting, right? So anyhow, enjoy the rest of your week. Enjoy the rest of your Monday. It's beautiful day. My son's golf is canceled today because it's very hot. So we're gonna do something, maybe just at home. And yeah, so anyhow, enjoy the rest of your Monday, and I will touch base with you again later. Thank you. Take care, everyone, and God bless you all.